Hi, my name is Lebohang Paledi. I am the co-founder of Chic. We are currently based in the East Rand in Langaville. I am the co-founder of Chic Wines. So what we do is we do your wine productions. It's 100% female black-owned company. I started it with my sister. It was established in 2022 last year. So we've been in operation for a year. So what I realized that in the previous year, the wine industry contributed quite a lot in our GDP, and obviously it's a very rather close-knit environment, and it's something that I came across, and I was very fascinated with the process that goes into winemaking, the fermentation, how to pick the grapes, the different kinds of grapes that make different kind of wine. And I think a year later, I found myself somewhere in Cape Town, and then that's where the journey started, and I haven't looked back since. So my full product and services would be, so we put a bit of human touch into it, rather. So we just don't only do your wine, we also put personalization on it. So we personalize your wines, we also personalize your wine glasses. So we can either put isithakazelo sakho on the wine, put your name, a picture, a message. So we cater for every occasion. So be it a birthday, somebody's graduation celebration, so those type of things. For every social event, we actually cater for those type of events. Like why people should buy my product is obviously it's 100% black owned, and what I've seen is that not a lot of young black people are into wine, but we just drink wine for the sake of drinking and getting a bit tipsy. But there's also a classiness that is behind the brand, bringing something that is relatable to our young black people. It's a brand from Ekasi, and it's very affordable. It's me bringing a brand that everybody can relate to. You know, somebody can say they can see a bit of themselves in how the brand is packaged. And also, you know, it's really nice when you wake up in the morning, when you open up, hopefully you don't drink in the morning, but when you open your bottle of wine and you've got your name on it, or isithakazelo sakho, so it sort of has a bit of blackness in it as well, or a bit of our culture in how we make our wines. You can get in touch with me by WhatsApping me on 079 9373 958 or 078 598 4703, or you can DM me on Instagram. It's Chic Wines, so Chic one word and then underscore wines. And then also Facebook, you can also DM me on Facebook. It's Chic Wines, and then yeah, that's about it. Hi, my name is Lebu, and I am a township entrepreneur.